Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna make an ottoman for Barbie. I need pieces of cartoon on the interior. I need two. Let's cut the other piece. I glue one inside. For the resistance, I glue inside a few pieces of cartoon. I cut a little bit more because the top cartoon need to fit inside. I'm gonna glue material on the top and on the bottom. I apply a layer of glue. I cut the material around. I glue each side. I will bend the material and glue it. I'm gonna glue the last piece of the material. I buy a new ottoman for my room. I will put it right there. It's so fancy. It's so fun. I can put it where I want. Until next time, bye bye guys.